Tagental Air Base, the weak link in NATO's satellite command node. This loss has left us blind.
Reports of a coordinated strike on a strategic NATO facility.
Paxa Mata ha lanzado un ataque.
No any axe movement until it was too late.
NATO Air Base, suddenly a flashpoint. Khan is lost.
NATO's line just collapsed. Continues to unravel by the second.
He stands on the
Operational
brink of a
failure.
conflict.
The situation spiraling faster than anyone can plan.
Command has authorized full force engagement against the base. Whatever it takes, whatever it costs. We take that node back, or we lose this war.